But right now, I would like to invite another opening speech for the person who is in charge for the nature conservation issues directly here in Latvia, General Director of Nature Conservation Agency of Latvia, Laura. Please, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Andres, and thank you also, Minister, for your introductory words. Dear friends of nature, distinguished guests, colleagues, good morning and welcome also from my side. It is a true privilege for the Nature Conservation Agency to host this international gathering here in Riga. We thank our partner, the University of Latvia, for welcoming us here in the House of Nature, the place where science meets nature. Today, as Andris already mentioned, here in our live project Latvia Nature International Conference, we are joined by 150 participants from 14 different countries, from 16 even, from south and north, east and west of Europe. This broad participation is a clear sign of commitment to work together for nature, merging both public and private efforts. In his opening speech, the minister referred to Flow, the Latvia's Oscar-winning animated film. When the waters rise, the only way forward is together, could be the motto of this conference. For us at the Nature Conservation Agency, it is not just a metaphor, it is our daily reality. As a national authority responsible for implementing nature legislation, we see every day how cooperation determines success or failure in conservation. We have the laws, the regulations, and different development plans. But legislation alone will not restore a habitat, remove an invasive species, or bring back the flow to a river. These outcomes require people, public authorities, private landowners, NGOs, local communities, volunteers and businesses working together, learning together, and pooling skills and resources for a shared goal. Through Life Integrated Project Latvia Nature, we are piloting programs such as Living Forests and Blooming Meadows. These bring private landowners directly into conservation as we are listening to their concerns, offering guidance, and creating results-based partnerships. Our goal is simple: to make landowners true partners, informed, motivated, and engaged. Nature-based products hold great potential. The grassland product label, established within Life Integrated Project, is a remarkable example and one of my favorite personal. It helps preserve Latvia's semi-natural meadows, supports rural livelihoods, and channels private financing into biodiversity-friendly practices. Over the next 2 days, you will see how such initiatives can deliver both ecological and social benefits. Our team actively seeks best practices from across Europe. We believe in local innovation and in learning from others. Invasive species eradication in Belgium, community forest stewardship in Finland, stakeholder engagement in Ireland, and many other approaches. Each offers a piece of the puzzle. Our task is to adapt and apply these lessons here in Latvia, keeping our work ambitious yet realistic. Latvia lies within the boreal region under the Habitats Directive, a zone rich of forests, wetlands, and grasslands of European importance. Forests are among our precious and vulnerable assets. They provide home for rare species, lock away carbon, build climate resilience, and form part of our cultural identity. Also, they sustain livelihoods. Balancing biodiversity with economic needs is one of the most complex challenges we face. And this conference will help us explore ways to protect what is irreplaceable while respecting the principles of sustainable development. Nature education, it is more than a tool. It is a bridge between people and nature. The same is true for good communication. Together, they build trust, inspire action, and help people see themselves not apart from nature, but as a part of it. I am pleased that the Nature Conservation Agency is working to establish new nature education centers. The first will open in Temarin National Park, which volunteers of tomorrow's event will see and explore here as well, serving an embassy of bogs and mires. Here visitors will discover the secrets of bog ecosystems, their diversity, their origins, and their vital role in regulating climate and water, strengthening our shared resilience. Let me share some more inspiring examples from our own work, where cross-cutting themes as collaboration and communication are already making difference. The Latvia Nature short film series, Stories of the Old Polypore Mushroom, bringing the science of biologically valuable forests to life through wise voice of the forest itself. These stories make complex ecosystems understandable, engaging, and even humorous, without losing their scientific foundation, and I really encourage you to see them afterwards. Volunteer action, from removing invasive plants to collect 58 kilograms of invasive Spanish slug in a single volunteer event. Wow, this is proving that citizen engagement can make a real impact. Over the next 2 days, I encourage you to share openly not only your successes, but also your struggles. Both are valuable for learning. Seek connections that cross borders, sectors, and disciplines. Because when the waters rise, the only way forward is together. Thank you, and I wish you a very fruitful conference.